Dear viewers, have you ever wondered how the world's richest rulers travel when they step out of their royal palaces and castles? Do they ride in ordinary cars, or do they own moving castles that rule the roads like kingdoms on wheels? Today, we'll reveal the most luxurious moving palaces that will leave you amazed. Welcome to History Bites. Here, we uncover the untold stories of history, power, and the incredible lifestyles of the world's most powerful leaders throughout history. Rulers have always displayed their power and grandeur through palaces, royal yachts, and priceless vehicles. Once there were mighty castles, then presidential palaces, but in today's world, this grandeur has taken a new form. Now, these rulers don't just own castles, they own moving palaces that showcase their wealth and influence. While rolling on the roads, let's begin with Mohammed bin Salman, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia and one of the most powerful leaders in the Middle East. He owns a double-triple camper, not an ordinary vehicle, but a two-story royal palace on wheels. It features heated floors, luxury sofas on a fireplace, and smart glass walls that turn opaque with a single voice command. The rotating smart kitchen can instantly switch to grill mode, bar mode, or full cooking mode, delivering any flavor he desires within minutes. Upstairs, there are zero-gravity chairs, a panoramic glass ceiling, and a bedroom with a retractable roof to watch the desert stars at night. This RV even launches drones and runs on a hydrogen electric system, making it a true palace on wheels. Next is the Sultan of Brunei, one of the richest rulers in the world. His palaces sparkle with gold and diamonds, and his garage holds thousands of rare cars. But his true marvel is the CKW900 Truck RV, an 18-wheeled masterpiece worth nearly $97 million. From the outside, it glows in black and gold like a royal fortress. Inside, marble floors, hand-stitched leather, and carbon fiber decor create a royal ambience. The kitchen is chef-level. The lounge has an IMAX-style screen with a thunderous sound system, and everything is voice-controlled by an AI assistant. The most astonishing feature is the hidden garage. Press a button, and a custom-designed supercar emerges from below the truck. This is not just a truck, it's a moving fortress. Moving on to the Emir of Qatar, whose country is known for its unimaginable wealth and futuristic projects. His pride is the space-style future RV, worth more than $9 million. From the outside, it looks like a spaceship on wheels. Inside, glowing floors light up as you walk, voice-controlled lighting, and an 85-inch screen descending from the ceiling. But the highlight is the built-in elevator that takes you directly to the second floor. There, you'll find panoramic glass ceilings, massage chairs, and a jacuzzi with breathtaking views of the sea or desert. And just like the others, this RV has a hidden garage holding an electric car that can drive off instantly. Truly a palace of the future. Finally, we come to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the president of the UAE and one of the most influential leaders in the Arab world. His royal choice is another double-triple camper valued at more than $85 million. Step inside and you'll find heated floors, rotating smart kitchens, luxurious sofas on a fireplace, and smart glass walls that darken on command. Upstairs, panoramic glass ceilings reveal the desert stars, along with zero-gravity chairs, a private office, and even a spa. The most incredible feature, this moving palace can launch drones, offering stunning aerial views of the desert or city below. It's not just a vehicle, it's a fortress fit for a ruler. Dear friends, these were some of the most jaw-dropping moving palaces of the world's most powerful rulers. Which one amazed you the most? The Saudi Crown Prince's futuristic camper, the Sultan of Brunei's luxury fortress, the Emir of Qatar's spaceship-style RV, or Sheikh Mohammed's drone-launching palace? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it. And for more fascinating stories of history, power, and royalty, subscribe now to History Bites.